Okay, this is February 10th, 2010, and this is the third blizzard of this winter here in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. And currently the winds are gusting up to 50 miles an hour, and the visibility is only 100 to 200 feet. And the snow is all over the place. It's just blowing all over the place. There's drifts of 4 feet or better. And currently it's snowed about a foot so far here in southern Maryland on this third blizzard. I'm going to zoom in on that house over there, and that house is just across the street. You can't even see it. And they say on the eastern shore the winds are up to 75 miles an hour. You can see how the wind is blowing the snow sideways, and we're getting these horrendous drifts. Now the last blizzard we had 26 inches. And currently we have another foot on the ground, so if you look out there near the fence, it's almost 3 feet deep. And currently it stands, we have 74 inches of snow so far this winter of 2009 and 2010. That's horrendous here for southern Maryland. 74 inches of snow so far. I'm going to go up on the roof here, check the roof out. The roof seems to be holding all this weight pretty good. Although we don't park our cars near the house because we're afraid that the snow might slide off and damage the cars. And there's a bird right there that doesn't know what to do with itself. It's hiding up in there. Now we've been feeding the birds bread, Modi bread. But it's 23 degrees outside. We've got piles over there that are close to 8 feet tall. This is absolutely incredible. I've never experienced anything like this. So much for global warming. Woo! That's a 40 mile an hour gust. 45 mile an hour gust. Woo! I gotta get near. I gotta get out of this. This is dangerous.